Lines on National Unity Day. One. The National Unity Day is celebrated on the 31st of October of every year. Two. National Unity Day is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Three. The National Unity Day was started in 2014 by the Government of India. Four. The day was started with an aim to spread the message of unity among Indians. Five. It is the best day to remember the efforts and achievements of the Iron Man of India. Six. On the day, the ministers from different parties gather to pay homage to Sardar Patel. Seven. Educational institutions organize an essay or speech competition for students on this day. 8. A program named Run for Unity was flagged off in New Delhi in 2014 to celebrate the day. Nine. Sardar Patel has always visioned for a Shresth Bharat, Best India. Ten. Sardar Patel was an inspiring personality, and learning from him to make a united India would be the best tribute to him from us. Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. Comment whether you like this video or not. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational videos.